So guys, welcome back to our course, and I hope that you are enjoying this course. And this is the second video of our thumbnail making course with Canva. And in this second part of our course, we are going to talk about how you can make professional thumbnails with Canva, like this one. So just keep watching, and now let's begin. So guys, before I go to my computer screen and show you all the process to make professional thumbnail, first let me tell you that to make a professional thumbnail we are going to use this photo, and this one. So basically we are going to use these three photos to make our thumbnail professional. So make sure to download all the photos, link is given below. Download the photo and then follow along this course. So now let's go to our computer screen. So as here we are on our browser, and I'm using Chrome browser. You can use any kind of browser you have. And after that, I'm going to just do is that open up the canva.com website, and let me turn down some brightness. Okay, and after that I'm going to do is create a new project on Canva. Search for YouTube thumbnail. Here we have, okay, we don't have any. YouTube thumb, thumbnail, YouTube thumbnail. Let's tap on this. Here we have YouTube thumbnail, and we have bunch of thumbnail template. So let's choose one of them. Which one is good? So as here I'm going to choose this template. I like this template very much, so I'm going to choose this template and tap on customize this template. This one is paid template, but when you use the paid elements for your thumbnail, then it will be paid. So I'm going to remove this paid thumbnail. When you use this photo, then you have to pay money, so make sure to remove this photo. And then here we have this blank page. So basically I'm going to do is that make this text smaller right now, and I'm going to select these two and make this a group. And then here we have successfully created a group of these two elements, and I'm gonna put this on this side. And I already told you that you need to download three photos, this one, and this one, before watching this video. You can also download this photo. I'm going to give you the link of these four photos given in the description box. Download any of them you want. And after that, let's choose this one, and I'm going to just crop this a little bit, make this photo as small so it will be good. And then I'm going to put this photo over here at the bottom. So the reason I added this photo is that it looks fantastic. You can see that paper cut design. It looks fantastic when you add this effect, this photo on your thumbnail. So I know right now many YouTubers use this kind of design to make their thumbnail professional. So you can also do it and grow your channel. So after that, just add this thing anywhere on your thumbnail. I'm just adding this at the bottom. You can add you can rotate this. Let me rotate this and add this on the side, something like this. And then you can design your photo according to your video. Okay, or you can add this on the top, something like this. Anywhere you can add it, anywhere on your thumbnail, and then your thumbnail will become professional. Let me rotate this to 0 degree. Okay, here we go. And I'm going to put this at the bottom, and then here we have the photo. And then after that, I'm going to do is that add my photo. I'm going to choose this photo, this cartoon. If you don't know how to make cartoon of yourself, then I already have a video on my channel. You can go ahead and watch the video. I will also give you the link in the description. Just adjust the photo and like this, and here we go. We have successfully added the photo. And then after adding this photo, you can see thumbnail. This thumbnail looks professional, and then we have this our photo on the thumbnail. And now we need this photo. I already told you to download these 4 photos because we need these 4 photos to make our thumbnail professional. I personally use these photos on my thumbnail. Let me show you. I'm gonna go to youtube.com and show you my thumbnails. youtube.com slash at whatisHappening.com slash at Mr. Markup B. If I go to my channel and show you my thumbnail, then here you can see at the bottom, if you take a look at all my thumbnail, I have this paper cut design. You can see over here I have this paper cut design in all my thumbnail, so it looks professional. And I also have this lightning design. You can see this light coming from this side. So basically I have this photo. I have used this photo to make that kind of lightning design. Here you can see we have this kind of lightning design. So I also use these kind of effect, photo, to make our thumbnail. If you haven't accessed this course, then go ahead, do it. And here you can see my thumbnail. Here we have this lightning effect, and here we have this kind of paper cut design. So I also use this thing to make my thumbnail professional. So here I'm going to add this photo, this lightning photo, and then I'm going to make this very big, and you can put this in the corner of your thumbnail like this, anywhere you want. So I'm going to put this right now over here on this side, and then just tap the right button and tap on send to back. Here we go, and I'm gonna adjust this a little bit so it will look more professional like this. Here we go. And then we have added the photo, and then we are going to add this photo, this white shadow, you can say. And then I'm gonna put this, make this a little bit bigger, and then let's make it a little bit smaller so it will look very good. Because if you make this big, then it will cover all the space. And then I'm going to send this to back, and then here you can see I have a little bit glowing effect at the back of my photo, so it makes the thumbnail more professional, and it also highlights the object, the photo, so the audience will focus on you and on your thumbnail. So right now you can see we have this professional design of our thumbnail, and using this you can make a professional thumbnail. So I also recommend you to use these photos. Link is given below. Tap the link and download all the photos that I'm using in this video to make this kind of thumbnail. And now here you can add your text like this, secrets. I'm gonna just put this over here, and I am gonna click on the photo and tap on bring to front, so the text will go back, and make this a little bit small so this all the text will be visible to your audience. And then here we have this photo. Let me make this small and put this over here. I'm gonna make this normal again. Here we go. Secrets. Let's make this a little bit small. Put this over here. Then I'm gonna again make this normal. And then here we have secrets to go viral on social media. Let's put this over here, and then I'm gonna cut this thing and to go viral. Secrets to go viral on social media. And then here we have this. I'm gonna tap on bring. It looks good. I mean, you can see that. So using this way, you can make a professional thumbnail. Secrets to go viral on social media. You can also add some effect in your text like this. Just select the text and tap on effect and choose the effect that you want. If you want to add a little bit shadow, then your text will become more professional. I like this one. Let's add a little bit shadow. This, it looks good. And using this thing, you can add a little bit of effect on your thumbnail on the text, and then your thumbnail will become more professional. You can also change the color. Let me make this a little bit small. If you want to change the color of this yellow box, then just select the box and tap on this color button, and then from here you can you can change the text color if you tap on this. But if you want to change the color of the box, then tap on this, and then from here you can change all the color that you have. Okay, you can see that. Let's choose any of them, like this one. It looks professional and good. Here we go. We have our professional thumbnail. Secrets to go viral on social media. Let's click on the share button and tap on this download button. Click on this download button, and then here you need to wait and your thumbnail will start to download. Here you can see we have downloaded our thumbnail successfully. So using this method, you can make your thumbnail professional. And I also make these kinds of thumbnail. So I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that Z button and tap, and make sure to access this playlist, because here in this playlist you are going to find how to make professional thumbnail with Canva. And if you want me to tell, if you want to know how I created this thumbnail, then same process. I just change the color of the background. You can see here I have used the same template, but here instead of the blue background, I have this kind of background. So you can also change the background. Let me show you that now. Just go ahead, select the background. Let me select the background. I don't have any space. There is not any kind of a space to select the background on the thumbnail. I'm going to make this a little bit small, and then here I'm going to select this and then select the background, and then here from here change the background, and here you can see we have the same color as I have in this thumbnail. See that this thumbnail and this thumbnail now looks same, professional. So you can also make these kinds of thumbnail. You can see so just you do that, change a little bit, and then your thumbnail will become professional. But I like this blue color, so I'm going to make this blue one, and here we go. Here we have the thumbnail. So that was it. So guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video, and if you want to get more videos related to this course, then you need to subscribe to the channel and tap on the bell icon to receive the third part of this course. And that's it. Make sure you follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter to get more technologies related content. And that's it. See you soon. Peace.